Naglalakad tayo ngayon papunta sa Suzuka Traffic Education Center. What's interesting dito sa Suzuka Center is there's a racetrack. Ito behind me is an F1 track. It's a Saturday. Kanina there were motorcycles, mga 250cc. Ngayon naman mga kotse tumatakbo. So mamaya baka ibang class naman. But anyway, there's a racetrack here, and then beside it is the Honda Motorcyclist School, which was started in 1970s. Okay, so they did this because they saw the need for proper education and training sa growing motorcycle culture dito sa Japan. So imagine mo, may racetrack, you can run fast, and then there is a course where you can do more controlled riding skills. So not so fast but more maneuvering. So parang it's a stark contrast, but it's very interesting because we don't see a lot of layouts like this anywhere, or at least none that I know of. So I'm not surprised na yung mga nagjo-join or nagte-take ng course na to become a more refined, more smooth, and a more controlled rider, because having a facility like this and set in at an environment like this really promotes road safety, and it promotes development of riding skills. Ino-observe natin yung course nila dito sa Honda Motorcyclist School. Nakita natin na meron silang offset weave pattern. So offset weave, tuloy-tuloy siya to decreasing. Okay, lumiliit yung weave ng offset weave. Tapos, meron sila J-turn right, J-turn left, and then figure 8 tatlo. Pagka figure 8, straight line slalom, turn, and then meron silang chicane, and then meron silang transition zone to switchback. Kakaroon sila ng switchback dito. After ng switchback, transition to stop over there. With a facility like this, husay talaga ang rider. Dahil yung elements na nilagay nila dito, it's basic, pero the Japanese philosophy is you do the basic at a very high level. So yan yung nakikita natin. Ginagawa nila are basic techniques, but they do it at a very high level. And translation nito is better appreciation for the motorcycle, and they have more advanced riding technique. In the event na kailanganin nila yung skills na ito sa kalsada, they can tap into it. So that's all here at the Suzuka Circuit, Japan.